Hi, this is Heather with WTI. Today I wanted to show you the Nightlight Ocean Wave Projector. This is what it looks like in the light, and I will show you shortly without the light. So, comes with a nice remote. Power turns the music on. You can choose different noises or white noise or sound. I think there's 8 different colors. And there's movement, so you can change if you want it to make the ocean wave like this. Volume, you can turn the volume down really light. It makes it beep when you're at the lowest. White noise, music. This is a lifesaver for me getting sleep because my little ones will sleep. It's even classical, that's their favorite. The volume goes up and you can switch off the movement if you want it to just be still and not moving. I love it. I'm speaking softly because I have a little one about to come in here. Definitely recommended it, and that's my point of view.